Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Quick reminder before we get started to please like, subscribe, and share the channel with someone you think would enjoy our content. That all really helps the channel out. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 170. If we start with this row, we're missing 4 and 7. We've got a 4 here, so 7, 4. For this row, we're missing 3, 7, and 8. We've got an 8 here and a 3 here, so this is our 7. 3 here, so 8, 3. If we look at this column now, we're missing 2, 4, and 5. We've got a 2 here and a 4 here, so this is our 5. And that 2 makes this our 4, 2. For this column, we're missing 2 and 7. We've got a 2 here, so 7, 2. For this box now, we're missing 8 and 9. We've got an 8 here, so 9, 8. For this box, we're missing 6 and 9. We've got a 6 here, so 9, 6. For this top row now, we're missing 2 and 8. And I don't see any help. So 2, 8, 2, 8. For this row, we're missing 5 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 5, 7. If we look at this column, we're missing 3, 5, and 6. We've got 5 and 6 here, so this is our 3. 5 here, so 6, 5. For this box now, we're only missing a 9. For this box, we're missing 2, 4, and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 2, 4, 5 here, so 2, 4. That means our 5 has to be here. If we look at this column, we're missing 1, 3, and 7. We've got a 1 here, so 3, 7. 3 here, so 1, 7. 1 here, so 3, 7. That means the only place our 1 can be is here. If we look at this box now, we're missing 3, 7, and 8. We've got the 3 here, so 7, 8. And no help here, 3, 7, 8. For this row, we're missing 6, 7, and 8. We've got a 6 here, so 7, 8, and since our 6 can't be there or there, it must be here. For this box now, we're missing 5, 7, and 8. We've got a 7 here, so 5, 8, 7 here, and 5. Means this is our 8, 7, 5. That 7 means this is our 8. And we can get rid of this 8. For this column now, we're missing 1, 2, and 8. We've got 1 and 8 here, so this is our 2. That makes this our 8, 1. And that 8 makes this our 2. That 2 makes this our 4, 2. For this column now, we're missing 4 and 9. We've got a 4 here, so 9, 4. For this box now, we're missing 3 and 8. We've got a 3 here, so 8, 3. That 3 makes this our 7, 3, 7. For this box now, we're missing 2, 3, and 4. We've got 2 and 3 here, so this is our 4, 2 here, so 3 and 2. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.